Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a bot to your server on Discord. Click your server name in the left sidebar to open it. Click the server name dropdown at the top to open the server menu. Click App Directory from the menu, which opens the Discover page where you can search for bots. Click the search bar at the top, type the name of the bot you want to add. For this example, I'm searching for Music Bot. Click the bot you want from the search results to open its details page. Click the Add App button to start adding the bot to your server. In the Add App window that appears, click Add to Server. An authorization window opens. Click the server dropdown and select the server you want to add the bot to. Click Continue to see the permissions the bot is requesting. Review the permissions list, then click Authorize to confirm. An HCAPTCHA verification box appears to confirm you're human. The success message appears confirming the bot has been added to your server. Click Go to your server name to return to your server. Your server opens and the bot is now added. You'll see it appear in your member list on the right. If the Add App button is grayed out, you need Manage Server Permissions in the server you're trying to add the bot to. Only server owners and members with that permission can add bots. You can check what permissions a bot needs before authorizing. Cancel and look for a different bot if any permissions seem excessive. Some bots need additional setup after you add them, like setting a prefix or configuring commands. So check the bot's documentation or support server for next steps. And that's how to add a bot to your Discord server. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.